ఏంటి भाई
नोट सेकंड लाइन ओनली वन लाइन एक ही लाइन है जाना क्या देख रहा है यार तुम मुझे बीच में ओम प्रकाश के साथ में क्लिप लिया बस इतना ही है क्या
Where's your party hat?
These are for the boys, Christian.
और साइन हाँ चालू कर लेना हाँ हाँ राजा इधर आ जाओ राजा
Looks like the boys are getting angry.
Smile. असो जरा
Smile. It's your birthday.
जब फ्लावर लगेगा like you have a flower
Technicalities.
So, good morning everybody. Good morning, sir. I'm happy to stand here in front of you actually because every month, by God's grace, we are getting an occasion to celebrate this staff birthday party. Right? And I think so, it's all your hard work and happiness अपन एक साथ इकट्ठा हुआ है, gathering together. It's a good occasion, and I should always thank each one of you. एक आदमी को मैं thanks बोलता हूँ because of your hard work. We are doing a good job. ये कोई टीम लीडर का नहीं तो मेरा नहीं तो डिपार्टमेंट का दूसरा किसका काम नहीं है. So first thing is my thanks to everybody. Second thing, we have been doing this from March onwards, and I hope we will be able to do it successfully for 1 year. Now coming to the other side is, my small advice to you all is, when you plan your annual leave, please do in advance, because you know last month I had to reject some annual leaves. The reason was we already had 8 or 10 people on leave. So now, as on now, till February it is full. Because the maximum number we give is 5. And somebody having 60 days leave is getting the first preference. Now there are boys who are having 75 days leave. So 2 months he is not on work. So please don't be disappointed. तुम नाराज नहीं होने का. तुम्हारा लीव का पहले आके तुम्हारा लीव एप्लीकेशन मार्च का है तो you can do your just one booking you can say. And the same thing goes to personal because they have to book your ticket. They also want in advance because season time में तुमको ticket मिलने का उनका भी मुश्किल है. Next is we are getting new staff. अभी 4 आदमी लोग आया था, right? I think so you are happy. What's right? खुशी है? दूसरा एक और है ना, पांडे. तो इनको सिखा के देने का तुम्हारा काम है, right? जो सही है उनको सही काम में दो. मैं जास्ती बड़ा भाषण नहीं दे रहा इधर. I'm not giving a long talk. And if anybody want to talk something, can always come to any one of us or the manager and come and talk. You can give your suggestions, your opinion and all. Now, two places we have increased the staff. One, in the basement. तुमको सब मालूम है क्योंकि he has to go and throw the cartoon quite far away. So automatically we increased one more manpower there. The second place was the staff kitchen, staff canteen upstairs, because there was difficulty in maintaining our standard and right time of plates, cups and all. We have increased one more staff there, especially in the morning and night few hours we have increased the staff. Third thing is now we have started one garbage runner. इसका काम है to take garbage and run, means emptying the garbage bins. There is a lot of confusion in this. इसमें बहुत जन को misunderstanding है कि वो लड़का garbage निकालेगा. It's not like that. If any case वो full रहेगा, आपको भी निकाल के डाल सकता है. समझाए? So there is no garbage trolleys on the corridor. These are only few small things, and pot wash is doing a good job. उनमें hard work है, and it is good. And happy to tell you that last week's Lufthansa audit was good. We had little problem, but it was still very good. Now, from our side, I think we should thank the departments, everybody, especially Isam, Mr. Christian, and Marvi and him also for coming here, and आप लोग को सब थैंक्स बोलने के लिए. पर आज का दिन ऐसा है कि we are celebrating only two boys' birthday, plus it so became it's a coincidence that today is Marvi's birthday also, and from all of you and on behalf of our section, I should say, I wish to wish her all the best and hand over this. So let us all wish her the best. Now I invite Mr. Christian to come forward and give this two staff their birthday gift. So we have draws for you. Like आपका एक draw है. कौन निकालेगा? बर्थडे बॉयज को बोलेगा निकालने को. सही है? हाँ? Okay.
Number 18.
1-8. 18, come forward.
Dilarol Ala, Mabro, congratulations.
Number 44. Number 44.